In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable online payments. By the end, you'll have a clear, confident path to turning on payments so customers can pay you smoothly and securely. Start on your main dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the Payments option and click it. This is the central hub for everything related to billing, payouts, and transaction settings, so it's the right place to begin. Inside Payments, select Online Payments. This section is dedicated to methods your customers can use at checkout. Opening it gives you a focused view of what you can accept and how those options will appear to buyers. On the Online Payments page, click the green Get Started button. That launches the setup flow. Think of it as a guided checklist to make sure the right information is captured and your payment rails are configured correctly. You'll be asked to choose a payment method. Select either card or bank transfer. Cards typically provide instant confirmation and a familiar checkout experience for most customers, which can help reduce friction at purchase. Bank transfers can be a good fit if your audience prefers direct payments from their accounts, often with predictable fees and strong reliability. Consider your customers' habits, your average order value, and how quickly you need funds to settle when making this choice. You can usually revisit this decision later if your needs evolve. Next, fill out the setup details. Provide accurate business information, such as your business name, registered address, and the support contact customers will see. If prompted, add payout details so funds know where to go. Set your default currency to match your primary market, and confirm any statement descriptors so charges are recognizable to your buyers. Double-check required fields. Keep your brand information consistent, and make sure everything aligns with your internal records. Clear, accurate details help reduce disputes and ensure smoother settlements. When everything looks correct, click Activate or Save to finalize. Give the system a moment to process your changes. You should see a confirmation or status indicator letting you know that online payments are enabled. If an indicator displays, make sure it shows an active state, confirming that your checkout is ready to accept money. That's all there is to it. By clicking Payments in the left sidebar, opening Online Payments, hitting Get Started, choosing card or bank transfer, completing your setup details, and selecting Activate or Save, you've successfully turned on online payments. You can return to the same online payment section anytime to review or adjust settings as your business grows.